I'm Dora the Explorer, and this is my friend Boots the Monkey. Hi! Are you ready to go have some fun? Great! Let's get the map. Say map! Say map! Say map!
Hello everyone and welcome to Pizza tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to customize small talk that is available in Dialogflow. And if you don't know how to create an assistant in Dialogflow, check out my previous video. Up here, I have already created my assistant called Pizzabot, and I'm gonna open it now. Here it is. And now go to small talk. Here you can see we have already enabled the small talk, and this contains some small talk customization folders, and I have already completed about agent folder for 97%, and the total customization percentage is 14. And now I'm gonna go for hello or good boy folder, and I'm gonna type the reply as take care for bye bye, and I'm gonna save it. Working, done, and let's check out. Bye. Yep, response have been delivered. And let's diagnostic. The raw API response would be like this something. You can see the JSON format. Let's check out the curl. Copy, pasting it in the terminal. Yep, that's it. You can see the text response as take care here. Now let's check out the result in the messenger. Get started. Bye bye. Yes, we got the result. Gonna check out in different types. Bye. Take care. And let's check out with the cases. It replies for every condition, even though the cases are different. So this is the best use of machine learning.